YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. So those candidates who are new in this session, first of all, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel, because once you subscribe the channel, then the session will be automatically come in your mobile. So that's why these sessions are very important from the examination point of view. Okay, and as you know that daily, on the daily basis, we are doing the important question series of a particular act. So if you people are new in this session, do not forget to see all the session from class 1 to till now, because all sessions are very important. Okay, and if you are new in this session, do not forget to subscribe our channel. As you can see that class in this batch, this is a 2 batch. The batch is, it's a very important batch. Why? Because it's contain the important question series. Suppose if I talk about this batch, it's contained 3000 plus MCQ plus previous year question plus 600 case study. Both batch are same, but in this batch there is a no video recorded course. It means, in this green batch there is a recorded video, this one session. The recorded video sessions are there, so that's why there is a little bit high price in this one. But in this batch there's a very little, it's a very, if we just differentiate, so it will cost you a very less price. So if you want to purchase this series, because whatever question we will highlight now, that the question will be in the English medium language, so that's why this batch is very, very much important. So if you want to purchase this batch, you only have to use the code Y391 and you can easily get 81% discount, because today 81% discount is going on. So I think this batch will be, it's a very beneficial to all of you, because once you clear all your concept, after concept, this batch will give you the 100% result and you will absolutely crack in your exam. So class, today we have to discuss the question of the types of security and the credit facility. Okay, in the types of securities, we have already done that. Whatever the borrower, suppose borrower want to take money from the creditor, so he have to deposit some security. Security may be from, it may be movable and immovable. And in the class, we have just learned about the 10 types of securities. Okay, so that's why we have to learn types of security and credit facility, that is totally based on the fund based and the non-fund based credit facility. Okay, so these are the important things that we have to discuss. Okay, now let's start with the question and answer series. Bank guarantee a promise made by dash to any dash to undertake the payment risk on the behalf of its dash. 4 options are there and 3 blanks are there. Customer, bank, third party, bank, third person, customer, bank, customer, third person, and third person, bank, customer. What is the exact answer here? Yes, class. It's a very simple question. The bank guarantee a promise made by, who made promise in the bank guarantee? If the bank is the guarantor, so but obvious the bank will act as a guarantee. The bank will promise. So I think in this one, the bank is the right answer. Okay. To any what? Third person or customer? And on the behalf of. But obvious the customer will, give the guarantee on the behalf of its customer. No. He cannot, take the guarantee on the behalf of any person. So on the behalf of customer and to any third person. Third person means, but obvious that is a sailor. Third person means sailor, because in the contract of guarantee, see, suppose this is a bank guarantee. He is the buyer, he is the sailor. So the bank guarantee, the bank is come into picture on the behalf of this buyer to the sailor, and sailor is the third person. So that's why for the first one, the exact answer is B is the right answer. Okay, so hope so. This question is clear to all of you. Okay, the bank guarantee. Cool. Next. Which of the following is a disadvantage of a bank guarantee? Disadvantage of bank guarantee. So here the disadvantage is whether it is rigid assessment, difficulty of loss making entities to obtain guarantee, high bill or high risk transaction, and all of the above. High bill means the high interest. So what is the disadvantage of this one? High risk transaction. Suppose the bank have As you know that the Nirav Modi, like the Nirav Modi, Vijay Mallya, they all are, just taken loan from the bank, and after they just run. They are just living a very good life in the England. So whose default is there? The bank default or this one, the person default? And so much you can see this one, they have taken the risk, the bank. So for that one, the disadvantage of the bank guarantee is but obvious. D is the right answer. Okay, second one, D is the exact answer, because all the statements are disadvantage of the bank guarantee. And the bank guarantee is the example of non-fund based credit facility. This is the right answer. Okay, cool. Next. XYZ company is a newly established textile factory that wants to purchase 1 crore fabric raw material. The bank guarantees on the behalf of what? XYZ company, raw material vendor, either of them, and the bank guarantee cannot be given. Which of the following is the right one? I think you have all know the types of guarantee: performance, financial, and deferred payment guarantee. Now tell me, in that case, the bank will give guarantee on the basis of what? On the behalf of this company or textile factory? You have to tell me that thing. So in that case, class, the company, that the bank guarantee on the behalf of the XYZ company is the right answer. Okay, because company wants something from the textile factory. So company, XYZ company, have to give money. So that's why this is the right reason. Next. A enters into a contract with B. Okay. For completion of certain project class performance, A does not complete the project on time and does not compensate B for the loss. This can be compensated by dash guarantee: financial, performance, warranty, and advance payment. Which of the following is the right one? Tell me, class. Yes. A enters into the contract with B for the completion of certain project. A does not complete the project on time and does not compensate B for loss. This can be compensated by which type of bank guarantee? You have to tell me which type of bank guarantee. Performance, project. So I think the term is already clear to all of you. Performance guarantee will be the right answer, because we have to perform. Okay. The AA have to perform, and on that performance he have loss. So for that loss, the bank will become into picture. So that's why for the fourth one, B is the right answer. Cool. Next. Dash is a assurance given by bank to the beneficiary to make the specified payment, whether it is bank guarantee, letter of credit, surety, and insurance. Fifth one. Which of the following, class, this is the fifth question, is an assurance given by the bank to the beneficiary to make the specified payment? Tell me the exact answer, class. I think this definition is known to all of you. That is very simple one. That's why I have told you that the example of non-based fund, this one non-fund based facility, the example is very, very important. That is letter of credit and this bank guarantee. Okay, this is very important. So here the exact answer is that is a bank guarantee. Okay, cool. And those candidates, again I'm saying, if you are new in this session, please see all the session from class 1 to till now, because all questions are very, very much important. Okay, class, tell me. The dash is a contract to perform the promise or discharge the liability of a third person in the case of default. I have already told you, if you want to remember each and every point, you have to remember the one word. You have to remember the one word. So tell me whether it is contract of guarantee, bank guarantee, letter of credit and bailment. Which of the following is the right one? Yes, which of the following is the right one? We have already done it. We have already done it. So for that thing, a contract of guarantee is the right answer because that is a definition that is given under the Indian contract under section 126. But you do not have to remember the section. Okay, no need to remember the section. So this one is the right answer. Next, dash type of guarantee is required when the customer on credit purchases the goods machinery and payment is to be made in the installment on specified date. So whether it is financial guarantee, performance based guarantee, deferred payment or advance payment guarantee. Which of the following is the right one? Okay, for the seventh one, the exact answer is that is good and machinery. We have already done. For goods and machinery, the exact answer is deferred payment guarantee is the right answer. Okay, so for the seventh one, C is the right answer because in the deferred payment, suppose if we want any machinery, so the person have to give the payment in the installment and for that installment basis, this is there. Okay, next. A dash is when a lending institution promises to cover a loss if the borrower defaults on loan, whether it is LC, bank guarantee, promissory note, and none of the above. A lending institution promises to cover a loss if a borrower defaults on a loan. You know, every question that is asking in that way or in indirect way. So what is the exact answer of eighth one? Everybody have to give me the answer, and as a Nikita Singh, I am just replying you. Okay, so for eighth one, the exact answer is but obvious bank guarantee. Same question. Okay, same question but in another language. Next, the buyer and the seller in a contractual agreement are protected from the credit risk through bank guarantee, letter of credit, deferred payment guarantee, and secured guarantee. The buyer and the seller in a contractual agreement are protected from the credit risk through what? It's a very good question. So here for the ninth one, the exact answer is again bank guarantee. Just see the types of question that they are asking. But the format, if you know the concept, you can always do the question in any way. Okay, that's cool. Next, the dash type of guarantee are used when one party in a transaction undertakes to make payment in the future. Deferred payment, financial guarantee, advance payment, and performance guarantee. 10th one, the exact answer. Payment in the future. One party in a transaction undertakes to make payment in the future. As you know that in the financial bank guarantee, they have to pay. It means, you know, the bank is giving guarantee on the basis of this, the tax example. In the performance, they are making the road. For that road, they are making contract. But in deferred payment, they have to pay the installment in, suppose in 3 times they have to pay the installment. So that is the future payment that the principal debtor or you can say the buyer have to pay. So for the future one, the exact answer is deferred payment guarantee. In this question, many students ask that, ma'am, in the performance also the bank is giving guarantee, but in the performance class, the road, that is already making by the buyer. And in financial, they have to pay taxes. Just one example, that is the bank guarantee on the basis of the payment. So that's why the exact answer is deferred payment, because that is based on the future payment. Next. For a bank guarantee, dash is the principal debtor. Buyer, applicant, either A and B, none of the above. 11th one. Which of the following is the right answer? 11th one. Which of the following is the right one for a bank guarantee? Dash is the primary debtor. Primary debtor, 11th one. The primary debtor is maybe buyer or applicant. So that's why C will be the right answer. Okay, C will be the right answer. Next. The bank may ask the customer to provide which of the following documents to verify the income details? Payslip, offer letter, bank statement, or any of the above. 12th one. For verify the income details, what is the exact answer? What is the exact answer? The bank may ask the customer to provide which of the following documents to verify the income details. So here the income details, 12th one, any of the following is the right answer. Okay, whether payslip, offer letter of any company, and the bank statement. Cool. Next. These types of loan are availed when the end uses is not clear. Uses means any custom, such as house renovation, medical bill payment, wedding expenses, etc. Whether it is secured loan, unsecured, indemnity, and the bank guarantee. End uses are not clear means that's a custom that is not clear. So the types of loan that we have, that the bank have to give, 13.1. 13.1, the exact answer is this unsecured loan, in which no security is there. Okay, no security is there. So that's why B is the right answer. Next. What is a common type of unsecured loan? Personal loan, student loan, both A and B, and D is none of the above. 14th one. Yes, class. 14th one. What is the exact answer? For the 14th one, the exact answer is in the personal loan, in the education student loan also, unsecured loan is there. Okay, class. So I think that's all for today's class. And you can see that, class, this is the batch which is going to be start from 3 of October. So if you want to enroll in this batch, you have to use the code Y391. Because just try to, we know that you people are English medium, but we have a very less time. We cannot start the English medium batch of question series, but whatever question we will highlight you, that question will be in the English medium. So that's why if you want to crack this JAIIB exam, so this is the best opportunity, and please grab these questions, because these questions are really very much important. Okay, so what you have to do, just go to this one, click on all courses, JAIIB, CAIIB, click on bilingual. If you click on bilingual, class, you can see the two batches. This is without recorded video course, and this is with recorded video course. So if you want to purchase this, the price is very less as comparison to the with video courses. So click on view offer and then put the coupon code Y391. Click on apply. You can see 80% discount. So the price is only 1999. And for with courses, the price is little bit high. Okay, the price is little bit high. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day, and so we will meet you tomorrow at the same timing with a concept. Okay, because concept clarity is also very much important for this one. Thank you so much.